Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Wednesday, December 18. The time is around 5 a.m. GMT. So today we are looking at the chart of the DAX. This is a 45-minute chart. We can see this pullback here ended with 4 at 12,890, and then since then we have resumed higher, breaking above this previous with 3 here, right? And we can see a 5-way sub from here, 1 2 3 4 5. This is ending with 105. So that means as far as the pullback stays above this 12,890, we still continue to like more upside. The right side is green and up, meaning we don't like selling, right? We do continue to favor more upside here in the DAX. Now if we look at the larger degree, now again over here, now we can see if we start looking at from last year, from December 27. Okay, now we notice here that we have what looks like a 5 waves from here. Okay, and then we have a correction. So these 5 waves here either ended with 1 or it can also end with A, right? Depending whether this is 1 2 3 or ABC. I tend to think it is a 1 2 3, right? Because just the fact that indices are bullish, everybody knows that, and we've been bullish since 2008. We've been rallying. So in a bullish trend, when you see a 5 waves, that makes sense to think that this is actually a 1 and 2 instead of an AB. Anyway, even if we assume it is just an AB, okay, ideally in the C leg should be we should be seeing a 5 waves up, right? A 5 wave subdivision, regardless, even if it is only an ABC. And then ideally in an ABC, ideally it should reach the 100%, right? The C should be reaching 100%, which is 36.39. We can see right here we have not reached the 100%, around 36.40, and even though we can already count a 5 waves up, but this leg here looks to be a little bit too short, okay, compared to the previous 1 or 3 in the same degree. Okay, so that suggests that as far as we stay above this, we can continue to see more upside, and that's exactly what the 1-hour chart here is showing. As far as the pullback stays above that 12,890, before we can turn higher or extend a new leg to the upside and reaching this 100% from December 27. Okay, so that's the update for today, and if you like this video, please do like and subscribe our channel, and also try our 14 days free trial if you want to get regular forecasts on indices, Forex or commodities. I will provide the link of the trial in the description of the video below. We also have a up to 50% end of year sale right now in our plan, as well as educational material, so that will be a really good time to lock in some of the savings here. Okay, so see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.